Let me show you the worst resistance bands that I have ever seen. So this actually is total scam product. When you actually go online, this is what the listings look like. So it's often called 11-piece set, basically, which includes several different resistance bands, these handles, and a bunch of other small accessories. So you can find it by this listing, something like this. So also they have like ratings for these resistance bands. So for example, you can see they have different ratings in basically how stiff they are and how much resistance they can actually create. For example, the black one is 30 pounds, that's like 15 kilos. So what is actually wrong with this? So again, this is actually a complete scam product, and when I received it, I was completely in shock basically. And this has to be absolute joke. First, the quality is absolutely terrible. It has to be the worst quality that you can ever imagine. So it's extremely cheap, it's extremely flimsy, and it's not finished properly. And all these attachments over here, they're just like super poverty. So you can see this is not some kind of fitness equipment quality. So it's just like it literally can't function even properly, and it's so flimsy and cheap. This is not what these attachments on resistance bands should look like. So they're absolute garbage. So and they're probably not safe if these were actually the kilo and like ratings that they were supposed to be. Again, all these accessories here, so it says but they're complete garbage. They're such low quality. They like, yeah. Also, this where you can basically attach this maybe to some inside doors. Again, I wouldn't trust such high ratings on this kind of like garbage. So yeah, it's yeah, it's not properly finished, and again, it's the worst quality possible. Okay, then the bands itself. So they actually say they have different ratings in strengths, but that's a complete lie. So when testing, these are exactly the same. They provide the same resistance. And when we talk about the resistance basically there is none. There's pretty much zero resistance. So you can take like literally like let's take the black one, which is supposed to be like 15 kilos. In some listings it says it's like 25 kilos. So again, I can take my two fingers and it's super easy. So there's pretty much like zero resistance whatsoever. And when you compare the like the smallest, it provides like the same resistance really, so there's no difference between them. And I thought I may be able to get some workout by simply combining all of them together, but that's not the case. So when you actually combine all of them together, still the resistance basically there is no resistance whatsoever. So maybe this is suitable only for some very small like 5-year-old kid. So if you are a 5-year-old kid and maybe like put all these together, then maybe you can get some tension. But if you are even a woman, yeah, it's like absolutely pointless. So and again, I'm not some tough guy, so I'm very weak guy basically. So again, if you even have some muscle, there would be pretty much like 0 point from these whatsoever. So again, I have actually tried other resistance bands, and basically when you actually take a decent resistance band that is actually those kilos, yeah, it's like one strand is actually more powerful than all of these together. So yeah, that's pretty much like this set is like complete scam product, and you shouldn't really buy it. So I'm not sure how they can get away with selling such junk basically. So yeah, definitely avoid this complete garbage. Anyway, good luck.